Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Dan from Zscaler. I'm joined by one of my colleagues, Amit. Amit, how's it going today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me, Dan.
No, my pleasure. And actually, we're going to have a quick take today on how browser isolation can help enterprises. In particular, today, we're looking at how organizations can extend secure access to SaaS applications and even private web applications, but on unmanaged devices. And to date, it's often been VDI as the solution in these scenarios. But Amit, I want to ask, what does this scenario, this challenge of secure application access amount to?
Dan, historically, almost all the applications were desktop or thick client based, so it made sense to protect the entire desktop leveraging VDI. However, most of the applications, modernized applications, are web-based. So the key question is, do you still require VDI? And if you look at from the perspective of the organization, they want to prevent data exfiltration, but at the same time enable productivity by providing access to these third-party contractors. And the contractors, they want to get the job done, but without requiring any specialized agent on their device.
Yeah, indeed. And we hear a lot of questions, I think, due to not only the complexity of VDI, but also the cost. It can be north of $1,000 or $1,200 per user per year, which is quite expensive. So let's transition. How can Zscaler help in this scenario?
Dan, we have stitched multiple technologies together for a simpler architecture so that the contractors, without requiring any endpoint agent, authenticate into a portal where they get a dashboard view of all the apps. App access is provided through browser isolation with stream pixels and not the actual data. So you can put clipboard controls, download print restrictions, watermarking capabilities, together with content scanning through an integrated DLP suite. And you can also extend it for PRA, for RDP, SSH, or VNC-based applications. So in essence, it provides VDI-like view with sophisticated controls at a fraction of cost, no complexity, and no agents to install or manage.
That's amazing. Good stuff, Amit. Let's leave it there for now. For those watching, we encourage you to contact Zscaler to learn more about how we can help with secure application access on unmanaged devices. So Amit, thanks for joining today.
Thanks for having me, Dan.